Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden in the world around us? The answer, my friends, is a universe of wonders waiting to be discovered, one that's usually invisible to the naked eye. Today, we're going to dive deep into that hidden world, exploring the fascinating realm of nature under the microscope. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate beauty and complexity that unfolds when we zoom in on the seemingly ordinary. Our journey begins with something as simple as a drop of water. Under the microscope, this clear liquid transforms into a bustling metropolis teeming with life. Tiny microorganisms like paramecium and amoeba come into view, each a single-celled wonder, moving and interacting in their microscopic world. It's like witnessing an alien city, where every citizen plays a vital role in the ecosystem. These organisms, though small, are the foundation of many food chains, and a testament to the resilience of life. Next, let's explore the plant kingdom. A simple leaf becomes a landscape of cells, each with its own structure and function. We see the chloroplasts, the tiny green powerhouses where photosynthesis happens. It's in these cells that plants convert sunlight into energy. The complexity of these structures is mind-boggling, a reminder of nature's genius. Now let's examine a flower. The intricate details of its petals, the pollen grains that carry life are all revealed. Pollen, often invisible, becomes a mosaic of colors and shapes, a testament to its important role in reproduction. Seeing this, we are reminded of the delicate balance in nature, where even the smallest things play a critical role. But the microscopic world isn't just about what we can see. It's also about what we can learn. Under the microscope, we can study the impact of pollution, the spread of diseases, and the effects of climate change. It allows us to monitor the health of our environment and understand how we can protect it. As we journey through this hidden world, we gain a deeper appreciation for nature's complexity and beauty. The microscope is a window into the unseen, a tool that reveals the intricate details of life, and it encourages a sense of wonder and curiosity. It's a reminder that there's always more to discover, always more to learn. So, the next time you're in nature, remember that there's a whole other world waiting to be explored, a world that reveals the true, stunning, and often unexpected wonders of life, hidden just beneath the surface.